Just arrived to one famous spot here in Bali. However, the weather nowadays is really not so good. It's cloudy, no sunset in the past few days, windy and huge waves actually, like this one. I'm gonna show you the very cool place, which is the bar over there. So this is the pretty cool beach bar, I could say, if I can call it beach bar or beach club. It's called La Brisa in Canggu. They have a nice style, very tropical vibe. With the swimming pool, and also seems like it's quite busy, many people everywhere around. The weather is not as best as I mentioned at the beginning, so I think people coming here. And definitely my favorite part is upstairs, where is this building, actually pretty cool architecture. A long time ago when they opened it, a few years ago, not many places was like this in Bali. I really love this place, to be honest, even if it's in Canggu. Pretty nice bar, swimming pool. Never used the swimming pool, but the area itself is pretty cool. Pretty enjoyable place to enjoy your time when you're in Canggu. Also great place to having few drinks or some food. Of course, this is only for the video purposes. I'm not promoting this place anyhow. Meanwhile, a little bit situation outside. Photo session, the Warungs. This is already Pererenan like almost, but because of big wave, not many people, weather not so good. But actually some people actually coming time to time here and there. The bar is just at the front, in case if you are looking where I were in the first 2 minutes of the video. And meanwhile situation outside, the corn guy never give up, always grilling for you guys here. Also I think it's great opportunity for any photographers right now in Canggu. When it's wavy like this, you can catch some nice pictures. At least I saw so many photographers around. You have to be careful because of that. So I was talking about the photographers, and here we go. Actually, I know one. He know me actually. So how you doing, my friend? All
Very good. Good to see you here. I subscribed before I came, got all the information, so yeah.
So good to see you. And where are you from, my friend?
I'm from Wales, living in London right now. Subscribe to TheMonkeys.
That's right. No sunset today, but here is like an observation deck. So many kind of young people coming, watching the sunset or the waves or surfers. And yeah. All right, let's see what's cracking on by the streets in Canggu. I'm gonna take you for a little drive around, as not much was going on by the beach. So maybe by the streets. Oh, crazy! And this is like a little bit like a city center of Canggu. I mean, Canggu is still a village, but let's say if it was city, maybe in the future, that's the center over here. So many fancy shops and restaurants everywhere around. Little bit different vibe than anywhere elsewhere in Bali. Definitely more hippie vibe. Everything is kinda new here, maximum few years old. Also many closed things. Some spas are trying to establish as well, but doesn't look that much. This is famous place, also not so busy today. And yeah, I'm gonna show you there were some new hotels here. Also Canggu is developing nowadays as well, and there are some new hotels around. Also seems like many young people walking around, but also not only young, middle-aged, elderly people as well. Also many lands empty over here. So here we go, surfers, and there is the new A-Steen hotel, in case if you would like to stay in Canggu. When I met Aaron, the photographer guy from Wales, he said that he liked my driving videos in Canggu because he can learn more things, what's going on around. So I believe many of you guys also enjoy. Like anyways, in Canggu you cannot really walk because there is no footpaths, as you maybe noticed already. So it's totally different vibe. Actually, that's what left from the Finns, so they're building the roof. Unfortunately, Oldsmen, sorry, Oldsmen, not Finns, pardon me. And this is the situation outside the Aston Hotel in Canggu, also kinda busy, little traffic even. So in the Canggu village center is actually kinda busy. I mean, everywhere you can spot some tourists walking around. That's for sure, without any doubts. However, I think Ubud is busier right now, as probably many people migrate from Canggu to Ubud and Uluwatu, as some people already said. But yeah, Canggu is Canggu. Meanwhile, you can see what's cracking around. And they are actually closer to the center. There will be more people. There were more people actually when I was passing first way. Now they disappear somewhere they go. Also with the family, with the kids, very brave, because there is no footpath, so you have to push trolley on the street. But suddenly it's like this, right? What we can do, guys? Big bamboo blonde. You can buy dress here for ladies, of course. And meanwhile, that's the kind of situation. People overtaking me. Girls on the motorbikes. You could say, such of shame, Damian, you drive so slow. It's true. Good stuff, good stuff. That's how it looks like in Canggu city center. Let's have a look how it looks, Deush and stuff. Don't want to go by shortcut by car, of course, obviously. You are not allowed, guys. Don't be a fool. Don't drive a car on the Canggu shortcut, guys. It's supposed to be only for motorbikes. Meanwhile, a little bit traffic here. People parking cars in the place where they shouldn't. And Luigi's. And Deus Ex Machina, guys. Meanwhile, this is a little bit of the residential area of Canggu, in case if you would like to rent a long-term villa somewhere here or apartment. There are also some cafes. 3 minutes from the beach. It's already like this. Many villas and many empty land for the villas. Was potentially in the future gonna be also mixed with the local community. You can find the local people living here, and of course the villas for rent. Also, more and more new restaurants and expats actually around. That's also here around. You can find so many restaurants and new construction of the restaurants. You know, with the view of the rice field, so potentially you don't need even go to Ubud to having a restaurant with the rice field view, because in Canggu they already have it. I'm not sure if it's good or bad, but it's not me to judge anything anymore. Everything is kinda new over here, so just wanna let you know, as the places like this are in Canggu already, guys, and many more coming. Oh, this one is actually also new, I just realized. Thank you so much, guys, for listening and watching today, and I will see you tomorrow on next one, guys.